mightyfly. Introducing mightyfly, a revolutionary drone changing the game for same-day delivery in business. This advanced drone operates without human intervention and can travel a remarkable distance of 966 kilometers. It can carry a hefty load of up to 227 kilograms at a speed of up to 241 kilometers per hour, making it 3 times faster than delivery by car. The drone itself is sizable, measuring 4 by 5 meters, but it only needs the space of 2 parking spots for takeoff and landing. This means no alterations to parking areas are necessary. Employees simply need to load and unload the cargo, and the drone handles the rest autonomously. In the event of any issues, mightyfly's team of experts will swiftly provide assistance, ensuring seamless delivery operations. Evobot. A cutting-edge robot designed to revolutionize the way tasks are handled, evobot is developed by experts at an institute ready to take on the role of loaders. Its design is based on an inverted pendulum, with the lower part focused on maintaining balance and the upper part dedicated to handling loads. This robot is compact, easy to maneuver, and incredibly fast, reaching speeds of up to 10 meters per second. Instead of using suction cups, it utilizes grippers to pick up loads, with a smart system that automatically adjusts the force needed. evobot isn't limited to warehouses. It can also be utilized in hospitals, effortlessly moving carts and beds. Engineers are continuously enhancing its capabilities, with plans to introduce features like improved rollover functions and the ability to transfer loads directly into your hands. The possibilities for evobot are endless, with various applications envisioned for its versatile functionality. Wind turbines are becoming increasingly popular for generating electricity. Both professionals and enthusiasts are involved in making them. For instance, an inventor from Australia created a turbine that's compact enough to fit on the roof of a small house. When combined with solar panels, it can power the entire home. Similar projects are being undertaken on a larger scale for industrial purposes. One such model, known as the ridge-blade, is specifically designed for pitched roofs. It features a smart focusing system that enables it to harness more energy from the wind, providing up to 9 times the power output. The ridge blade reaches its maximum efficiency at wind speeds of 11 meters per second and is built to withstand harsh weather conditions. Another inventor from the United States is experimenting with different blade designs to further increase power output. Exosystem. Imagine the rise of machines like in the movie Terminator, where they were expected to take over in 1997. However, today, machines are actually behaving quite well. Engineering teams worldwide are constantly improving them. Take, for example, this new system that transforms any excavator into a smart, autonomous robot. It's installed at the back of the machine within a couple of hours. You also need to place beacons around the site. Once set up, you can upload tasks, and the robotic excavator will carry them out. Even with this upgrade, manual control is still an option. An app keeps you updated on the progress of the work. If the machine encounters an obstacle, it stops in less than a second. Plus, tasks are executed with pinpoint accuracy, down to the centimeter. This innovation promises efficiency and precision, as advertised by the manufacturer. Jetoptera. Imagine reinventing airplanes with a bladeless engine. That's what Jetoptera is all about, and it's caught the interest of the United States Air Force. Here's a simpler explanation. They take compressed air and make it pull the plane forward much more efficiently, thanks to a combination of gas turbine generators and fluidic propulsion. The results are impressive. Fuel consumption drops by 50%, while traction increases by 10%. Plus, the whole system is 30% lighter than traditional designs, enabling vertical takeoff and landing. According to the team, this innovation is suitable for aircraft weighing up to 4.5 tons. They've even started collaborating with the US military to further develop their technology. The Energy Observer and Pavegen are talking about a cool idea, making floors that can turn the energy from people walking on them into electricity. These special floor tiles are already being used in various places around the world, from London to the United Arab Emirates. When someone steps on these tiles, they sink down a little bit, about 5 to 10 millimeters. This pressure makes electromagnetic generators inside the tiles spin, which creates electricity. These tiles are pretty efficient too. If 10,000 people walk over them, they can generate enough power to keep lights on in places like shopping malls or train stations all night. What's more, these tiles can even be made from recycled car tires. So this is another step forward in our journey towards using more renewable energy. And for those who drive cars, don't worry, you haven't been left out of this energy revolution. The beissbarth easytread is a handy tool that helps you quickly check how worn out your car tires are just by driving over it at a speed of up to 8 kilometers per hour. Once you do that, all the information you need shows up in a special app. This app makes it super easy to understand the condition of your tires, so you can even print out the results and discuss them with your customers. It doesn't just tell you how much the tire is worn, it also explains why it's worn out. Mechanics can share this data easily within their workshop, either through a local network or wirelessly. Since the depth of your tire tread affects how well your car brakes and steers, having this system in a car repair shop is a smart move. It gives the shop an edge over others by offering an extra helpful service. Samson Sky, an American company, is now taking orders for flying cars. These cars, starting at $170,000, can be used both as a regular car and as an airplane. On the road, they can go up to 200 kilometers per hour, and in the air, up to 305 kilometers per hour. They can travel for up to 724 kilometers before needing a recharge or refuel. It only takes about 3 minutes to switch from car to airplane mode or back. However, you'll need to find a straight runway that's at least 335 meters long for takeoffs, and you'll also need to learn how to fly a plane. German robots might end up in hospitals, joining their Japanese counterparts. Since 2018, Japanese nursing homes have been using these robots for various tasks like delivering food and medicine, disinfecting with UV light, and monitoring patients. These robots help reduce the workload for staff while maintaining high-quality service. Hotels are also interested in these robots because they can navigate elevators, understand voice commands, see in low light, and have a 360-degree view. They can quickly spot any troublemakers with their cameras, and they're easy to control using a smartphone. For instance, you can communicate with patients using two-way audio through these robots,